Welcome to our English lesson today. We will practice our listening and speaking skills and also learn some interesting vocabulary and expressions. Our story for today is My Daily Routine. Listen carefully. To become successful, everybody should follow a strict schedule or routine. Especially in student life, we need to maintain our time properly. If we fail to maintain time, then we can't make a good result in the examination. Today I am going to share my daily routine and my experience here. I am a very regular guy who follows a routine. I made that routine almost 6 months ago with the help of my elder brother. I make some small edits and changes in the routine due to my own preference. My daily routine. I consider the morning is the most important part of the day. In the morning, you will find lots of peace and a calm environment. My class teacher suggested me to get up early morning. I followed that suggestion very seriously, and that made my day. Now I always get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. First of all, I go to the washroom and brush my teeth. I wash my face and wipe the water with a towel. Then I go for a small morning walk. I know the morning walk is very important for good health. Sometimes I do exercise too. Most of the time I walk almost 30 minutes, and the doctor said that's enough for me. This little workout keeps me strong for the rest of the day. I come back to home after the walk and get fresh again. I eat my breakfast then. After eating breakfast, I study math and science in the morning time. I think morning is the best time to study. School time. I go to school at 9:30 o'clock in the morning. My father drops me here with his car. I get a break at 1 o'clock after 4 classes in a row. And finally, I go home at 4 p.m. with my mum. She comes to pick me up from school every day because it takes almost 20 minutes to go home from school by car. I enjoy school time very much. Eat and sleep routine. I eat my breakfast, and then I eat my lunch in the school break time. I take my lunch with me. My mother is very aware of my food. She always cooks something interesting to me. I love eating pizza and burger, but she doesn't buy me that kind of fast food. She prefers to cook them for me. I love her cooked pizza very much. And finally, after reading and watching TV at night at 10 o'clock, I go for my sleep. When I go to bed, I think about my entire day. Holiday routine. When my school is close and I have lots of spare time, my daily routine becomes a bit different. I add time for video games, playing in the field with friends, and spending more time with my cousins. Conclusion. That's all about my daily routine. I love to follow this routine, and I am very serious about it. I think it's perfect for me. You can follow my routine too.